Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we discussed how to add a toaster message to our project. And in this video, we're going to be creating the admin's change password page that will give the admin's chance to update his password. So let's go ahead and start the process. So we're going to have to go inside of our header file. As you can see, we have already implemented the profile and the logout. So here we're going to use some of the remaining submenus to implement our admin's password change. So let's go ahead and head to our header section. So let's get back to our project source code. Okay, let's go ahead and reduce some of these tabs. We're not going to be needing that. Admin profile, dashboard. We're not going to be needing the dashboard. Okay, this is our header section. Okay. So let's go ahead and expand this to get more room to work. Okay. So let's go ahead and find that Julia section. Okay, this is it. Well, as you can see, we've already added our admin's profile route, and here we have our logout route, and here we have another menu called my wallet. Which is my wallet right here. I'm going to get rid of it. I don't want it. So let's go ahead and remove that. Which one is the next one? So this is the setting. This is the one I wanted to use for our change password. After that, we have another one called lock screen. So we're not going to be needing this one. Yes, something like this. And the settings is right here. So let's go ahead and add another route. Let's copy this and paste it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and call this route admin password change, something like this. And I'm not going to be needing this badge, this pan badge, like so. And let's get rid of that. Okay, now let's go ahead and create our route, admin password change route. Copy that. Let's go to our web.php file, and now let's go ahead and copy this down like so and paste this. Update our name to admin password change. So let's go ahead and update our URL as well. Admin password change. Okay, something like this. And then the method is going to be admin password change as well, like so. So now let's go ahead and create our method. Well, before that, let's go ahead and change our route method to get. Okay, like so. And let's copy our method name and go to our controller, admin controller. So now after our admin profile update, let's go ahead and create this new method, public function, and paste this our admin password change, like so. Okay, now after creating the method, we're going to go ahead and return a view, actually, because now we are going to be creating the view first. So let's go ahead and say return view. So inside of our admin's directory, I wanted to create a file called admin password underscore change, something like this. And then let's go ahead and create our view. Copy this. Okay, let's go inside of our resource views, inside of our admins directory. I'm going to go ahead and create a new file, admin password change.blade.php. Okay, now our admin password view is going to be just like our admin's profile view. So let's go ahead and copy the profile view and then make some changes to it to actually get our admin's password change view. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's come back here. This is our admin's profile view. Let's go ahead and copy everything. Copy this and then go inside our admin's password change and let's go ahead and paste it like so. And now let's go ahead and remove the overflow word wrap like so. Let's go ahead and expand the window just to get more room to work. Alright, now let's go ahead and save our file, save all. And remember, we have made changes to our web.php file. We have created a brand new route, so we need to go ahead and run our php optimize command. Yes, something like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and refresh our page. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Yes, as you can see, it doesn't change. Our title here should be changed to change password. So let's go ahead and check that. Let me go ahead, let's go to the header section. Okay, yeah, it should be changed. We should go ahead and change it to change password. Okay, now let's go ahead and save this. Save. Let's refresh our page now. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look. Yes, we have a change password. So before we actually go ahead and click to visit our change password page, let's go ahead and make some changes to our change password page right here. So first of all, let's go ahead and change our title, our page title, to admin's password change, like so. And then here I'm gonna go ahead and say copy this, paste it password, and then change here. Okay, and then here I'm gonna go ahead and copy this title, admin password change, like so. Admin password update, admin's password update. So something like this. Here we're not going to be needing our enc type because we're not going to be sending any image. And then the first input field here should be a level for old password, like so. And then we're not going to be needing any value because we're not passing any data, like so. But instead we wanted to use a placeholder for old password. Okay, let's go ahead and paste this, like so. And the name should be for old password. Alright, something like this. And also wanted to add an error message into our password form input field. So let's go ahead and add it just like we've added for our login form, using the @arrow, passing the name as old password, like so, and then say is invalid, just like what we've done for our login form, and then say @end arrow, something like this. And then now let's go ahead and display our arrow down below here. Let's say is arrow, like so, for old password. Copy this, let's go ahead and paste this, and then say span class. If you remember, this is exactly what we did for our admin login form, how we add an error message to our form. So that's basically it. We're going to say text -danger, and then let's go ahead and call the default error message, like so, message. So that's basically it. We're going to be having a 3 basic input fields, one for old password, the other one is for new password, and the third one is going to be for the confirm password. So let's go ahead and copy this input field. Let's come down below here and paste this. For the remaining input fields, we're going to be deleting them. I'm going to get rid of them, like so. We don't need the preview image. Okay, something like this. And then for the second input field is going to be for new password. New password placeholder should be for new password. New password, like so. New password, and the name should be new password as well. Let's go ahead and copy this. For our arrow should be new password. Arrow here should also be new password. And then let's go ahead and add our third input field. Copy this, come down here and set confirm new password. Confirm new password. Name should be new password, underscore confirmation, like so. And we're not going to be needing an error message for our confirm password input field, and we're not going to be needing this as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this. We have our old password, okay, new password, confirm password with the name new password confirmation. The name here is new password, and of course, since it's a password field, the type should also be password, should not be text. Password, like so. Let's go ahead and copy this. Type should be password, like so, and type here should also be password. Where is type? Yes, type should also be password. And here our button should say change password, like so. And now let's go ahead and save our file. And yes, of course, we're not going to be needing our JavaScript code here. Alright, I think everything is okay. So let's go ahead and save our file. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Refresh our page, and now let's go ahead and check our password, change password view. And yes, now we have our admin change password view. As you can see, we now have our old password. The admin is going to provide his old password first, and then go ahead and specify a new password and then confirm password. Okay, our placeholder here does not say confirm password, so let's go ahead and edit that. Our placeholder for confirm password, okay, new password, confirm new password. So let's go ahead and copy this, paste this right here, like so. And then now let's go ahead and save this file. Let's refresh it. Yes, our confirm new password. So friend, that'll basically be it for this video. And in our next video, we're going to be validating our change password form and also updating our admin's password inside of our database. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.